Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply uninstall games on Epic Games. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will start our video. For that matter, you still need to know that for you to install or uninstall any of the games, you need the Epic Games launcher, right? For that matter, you go to your browser and search an Epic Games launcher, and you have to get that installed, and it is available for both Windows and Mac OS, right? Once you have done so, once you have accesses, go ahead, open it up and get signed in as well. You click on your library where you will find all of your apps, and then you will tap on the three dots that will be next to the game you are trying to play or trying to uninstall. Tap on this uninstall option once you have tapped on it, and then you can see this uninstall it. And once you're done with it, you can again go back to it, restart your Epic Games launcher and try to install your game again, or go to your library and see if that game still exists there or not, or if it does, then it shows the install option or not, right? Once you have checked out, so you will be able to find out if it's uninstalled or not. If it's not, again do the same process as I have mentioned, and then you will be done. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.